Have a nice day, ma'am and sir. I am Laneros Balahuang Dali from the Funquirino Province, Philippines. I am 38 years old and married. I have four children, two boys and two girls. I am a high school graduate. I work here in the Philippines as a housemaid with four members of the family, the couples and the two children. My main duties is to take care the two children, to prepare their things that they need, and to do the household chores, washing, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and cooking. I choose Hong Kong because they give a good salary to support my family needs. To my employer, I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities as a good helper. Thank you.